uh trading this gold setup, and I've been watching the setup for some times, and I've discovered that the thing has really clicked into my this thing, my prediction. So number one, I want to see from the weekly, the trend is downtrend. Actually, when you look at the trend, you see that it's downtrend because it's forming higher, lower low and lower high. You can see the trend is downtrend. You can see. So in the weekly candlestick, so our buyers, the main thing is that the trend is downtrend. Number one, that is, we put that one at the back of our mind, that this trend is downtrend. Watch, if you look at it, you discover that it's downtrend. So as you can see, we discover that it's downtrend. Weekly chart is downtrend. Then, okay, since we have gotten that one, so we are in this portion now, at this particular place. We are at this particular portion here. So now, what the next thing to do is that now go for the daily. In this weekly setup. Now go for the major resistance and support. You can see there's a resistance here. If you look at this portion, number one, look at this portion, number two. So it's this line has touched multiple times. So we call here one resistance. The second one is here. It's another resistance here has touched here. So the third one is here. So we have three support, resistance, three line that eventually have reacted in time past. Then we now go to daily. In my daily, the first one is still here. The resistance here is still intact. Here is still intact. Then the second one, if you look at the second one, you discover that this one is intact, but there's another thing that I discovered here, that this is where we mark this place and this place. We mark these two places. It's touching multiple times. But the other one, this spike up here, this little spike. So I'm going to check for this spike, because this spike, or better still, what I'm going to do is that, okay, let me just move this resistance up a little bit, so that to get this place. So or you can put another line just to form a zone. So you know that in this very zone, something reacted here. This zone, this place and this place. So let us put another zone here also. This second one that is down here. You know that here also something reacted here. So here and here. Yes. So we have one zone, we have two zones. Let's see the third one. It's okay like that. So now we are trading. Number one, we have discovered that the market is in downtrend based on this trend line. Then based on this trend line, we have discovered that the market is in downtrend based on this trend line. So okay, then we now go to lower time frame. Let me remove this. Then we go to lower time frame. We go to 1 hour daily time frame. Daily time frame, we discover that it's forming a pattern. If you look at this daily time frame now, I'm seeing a pattern that is forming. Number one, let me show you the pattern. Then look at the pattern here. It's forming. The particular pattern is forming here. One. We're also forming. Let's see. It's forming a pattern. So the pattern is forming. Okay, so if you look at it very well, you discover that it touch here and it's also touch here. It's forming a pattern, a triangle pattern. You look at it very well. It's forming a triangle pattern. You can see. So the pattern is going to complete this cycle. You can see. So it's forming the pattern here. So number two, we know that it's forming the pattern here. So we are going to throw it along this cycle. It's forming the pattern. We are going to throw it along this cycle. So we have gotten our two confirmation. Then number three, what are we going to do again? So number three, we are going to see. We are looking at this gold. After looking at this gold, it has formed these two patterns. The first one is week, second one is daily. So now we are trading. Everything is still indicating that the market is still going down. Now let's go now to 4 hour. Now let me remove this. Let me remove this one that is formed on daily this thing. Let me remove it so that I want to analyze top-down analysis. We call it top-down analysis. Then let's go to 4 hour. When you go to 4 hour, you will discover that in this 4 hour, we have already in that zone. We are inside that zone now. Inside this zone, in this 4 hour, inside this zone, we see. Let me see, maybe then. So it's about to break down this zone. It's almost breaking down the zone inside this 4 hour. So if this 4 hour candle close, below this zone, that means our sell signal has been confirmed. So that means the market we honor this down. We still go down. The market will honor it down. So, but for now, let's see what the market is doing. And now in this very place, what are the patterns we are seeing here? Number one, I discovered that this, we want to look at the fifth level. Let me use the fifth level at this junction. Let's see where the market will correct himself. Okay, Fibonacci retracement from this low to this high. Let's see. Okay, if you look at this low to this high, that means the market is going to break this place. The market is coming down to. Market will break here actually. Then it's coming down to this 61.8. 61.8. Is there any resistance? Okay, if it eventually break this 23.6, then it will come to this very place. If you eventually break this zone also, it will also come to this to 38.2. If eventually break this zone also, we are still going to look at this 50. If eventually break this, we are going to 61.8. And so this Fibonacci retracement. So after this long run in this short time, after this run like this, so we discover that the market is responding. So look at the run. After this run, the market is responding to the retracement back now. After this long run, you can see the long run. After this long run, market is responding. So that is what we see there. So we still keep. So that is the 4 hour time frame we saw there. After this long run, you can see the run. After this long run, okay, you can see now. So the market is responding. The market is responding to this. Let me let this place stick. After this long run, you can see the market is responding. After this long run, okay, the market is now responding. No, so after the long run, the market is responding. So that's what we saw there. Then we are waiting for the correction. That is what we saw. Then we are waiting for the correction. So now let's look We are waiting for the correction now. Okay, we're waiting for the correction. So what is next? We are going down to the other time frame. We're going down to another time frame. So the time frame we're going down to see now is that we're going to see the 1 hour time frame. Let's look at the 1 hour time frame. So we're waiting for this correction. Then the 1 hour time frame. Let's go for the 1 hour time frame. Let me remove this Fibonacci line. So that's okay. Let me see. You go to the 1 hour time frame. This 1 hour time frame. Okay. Let me remove it. Okay. So in this 1 hour time frame, what is happening in the 1 hour time frame? You see this last 1 hour candle as it form a rejection. This is a rejection candle, the last 1 hour. They reject this bullish move. This candle, it rejects the bullish move. This candle, this candle is rejection. This candle is a rejection candle. This candle is a rejection candle. So it's rejecting it. So it has rejected this move. This move, it reject this move. Hey, look at this move. This move is going up before, but eventually when this candle came, it rejects this move. Now, that is why we are waiting for the confirmation. After the close of this candle under this very place, there is confirmed that we are back on the downtrend. After this candle, it is confirmed that we are back on the downtrend. Then the market will go down to this place. Wow! It's going to go down to this place. You can see. But let's see. Yeah, we are here. I said this is where we set our first stop profit. So when the market is, and after here, then you're going to respond to what is in the uptrend. So now you see the 1 hour time frame. The 1 hour time frame, we are waiting for confirmation candle. But I've already entered with a small portion of this thing, small lot size. It's covered. So now let's wait for that confirmation candle. Maybe it will go on. It will go according to our setup. If you go according to our setup, then we are good to go. So that is 1 hour time frame. So let me go to this 30 minutes time frame. Let's see what is happening here. In this 30 minutes time frame, you see that the market is also responding to the trend. The market is responding to the trend. There's a minute trend there that must complete before eventually move down. That is a minute trend. There's one small minute trend there. I see the trend. This is a trend. This trend must also complete before eventually go down. You can see the trend. The trend must also complete before it finally go down. You can see. So what are you waiting for? This is a trend that is responding now. So let's see what will happen. This is a trend. It's a trend. So it will complete probably like what I'm seeing here. Let me remove this one. So like what I'm seeing here now. This trend now. This trend, what I'm seeing here is that it has eventually touched this place. So that is the reason why this trend has already touched this place. So it's forming another thing there. So as it's touching this place now, so we are still seeing our downtrend here. We are still seeing our down move here. Here it is telling us that it's going down. Okay, if you see, it seems here that it's going down. After touch of this trend, it's going down. So after that one, let's see another thing that we can also see in the lower, this 30 minutes time frame. It's still confirming down. So this candle of 30 minutes candle has confirmed this down. Then let's see another 15 minutes. Let's see the 15 minutes. This 15 minutes, what I see here is forming a small pattern. So this trend line is still intact in the 15 minutes. It's intact in the 15 minute time frame. The trend line is intact in the 15-minute time frame. Okay, let's see 5 minutes. 5 minutes. 5 minutes is responding to a particular thing. It's still intact in 5 minutes, but 5 minutes is responding to a smaller triangle. Let me remove this time. It's responding to smaller triangle. If you look at it, triangle. Let me go to 1 minute. Look at the 1 minute. Also, I mean just to so 5 minutes. It's responding to smaller triangle. How did I know? Look at it. I'm going to put the trend line here. Look at it here. Look at this triangle. Smaller triangle. That is going to go down. That is what it means. It's going to go down. There's a smaller triangle here. It's responding to that for now. So after the completion of this triangle, then to go down. This triangle. After its completion of this small triangle. So after the completion, and tendency can go down. So that is what you see there. So my brothers, you can subscribe to this channel. So I will be keeping you updated in this new trade. This trade is going down actually. Let's keep watching and bye for now. Subscribe to this channel. It is FOREX Phenomenal. We train people on how to make money in this FOREX industry. I have given you my top-down analysis so that you can know that FOREX market is free. If you are not making money yet, it's not that the market is not real, but you can see now. So you all subscribe to this channel. So I'll keep you updated in this trade as the trade goes on. Bye for now. But the trade is, as far as you are saying, you're going to complete this cycle. You're going to complete this cycle before you eventually move. You're going to complete this cycle. It's a cycle here. Complete this cycle. This cycle here. You're going to complete this cycle. Before you finally break down. You understand? You complete cycle before you finally break down. So I'll keep you updated. Bye for now. Bye for now.